Hey guys, so there's this customer, she just asked me, give me a slime now. So I'm gonna give her a slime. I'm gonna say, what type what kind of slime do you want? What kind of slime do you want? Let's see what she says. She says pink. So she was being rude, so I'm gonna ask her, what is your least favorite color? Let's see what she says. Oh, she said white, so let's just do it. I don't know. Let me go. I'll give her Milky, so let's start. I don't want the color. Do I have to do a color? She just texted me and she said white and gray. So she just texted me and gray, so okay, so I have the color gray, so let's put it in here. I'll give her foam in the color white, and I'm all done. Okay, so she said she hates white. Okay. And they have like this color. So let me send it. Okay, so I just sent it her slime to her. So I hope I can do another video like this. Bye.